I'm back in Pakistan, one of my favorite countries in the world. Now, as you watched previously on one of my vlogs, I visited Karachi and I showed you the lifestyle in the car industry. Right, okay, so this is where I'm from in Karachi. This is Clifton Block 2. As you can see, it's on the main road. A lot of traffic going back and forth, but these are the houses that we live in. This is my grandma's house, who's unfortunately passed away now, but this is where she used to live. God bless her soul. Very hard working woman who kept the family together, kept us united, and I do have some of her genes actually. I can't sit down, and my grandma was one of them women that constantly worked, helped everybody, always put other people first before herself. And may Allah bless her soul and grant her Jannah, inshallah. But anyway, I've got my cousins over here. I've got Riaz, our rickshaw driver. Riaz bhai, how are you doing? Good to see you. My cousin Sharjeel, as you've seen in many vlogs before, looking slick. This guy looks like he's from the UK. He actually belongs in the UK. And look, representing Barugzai all the way. We need a Barugzai, Pakistan. We'll work on that. Zakir, come on, man, let's do it the proper way, the Pakistani way. Zakir, very hard worker. My cousin works day and night, 2 jobs, extremely hard. Yeah? Irshad bhai, Imtiaz bhai, I just want to give a big shout out to these guys. They take care of my grandma's house, and they've also taken a lot of care of my grandma while she was alive. And thank you, bhai. Tumne mere dadi ka khayal rakha hai. Arshad bhai, thank you, bhai. Sab family ka bahut khayal rakhte. Every time we come, they take care of us as well. They maintain, look after the house. But they've taken care of my grandma, and I really genuinely appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, guys. And right, Raz bhai, we're gonna go for a haircut. Come on. Aji, Rafiq bhai. Rafiq bhai, kya haal hai ji?
Hi ji.
Theek thaak.
Theek thaak ho sir.
So Rafiq bhai, this is his barber shop on the main road, literally in front of my grandma's house. And bless him, he used to take care of my grandfather. आप मेरे नाने का ख्याल रखते थे. Thank you, bhai. दिल से मैं आपको thank you कह रहा हूँ. Listen, I don't need no 5-star barber. I've seen it all. I've done it, but this is what I want to experience, and I want to show you. There's a bus coming right now, and I'm going to get on one of them buses. And you can see, that's what I'm going to get on. That's how I want to travel. I don't want no supercars, even though they've got a lot of supercars in Pakistan. But I'm going to attempt to get on a bus. Zakir, are we going to get on the bus? Yeah. Right, me and Zakir are going to attempt to get on a bus. Well, we're not going to attempt, we are going to get on a bus. We're going to go on a rickshaw as well and travel around. But anyway, I'm waiting my turn to get my, well, haircut or beard trim. Just wait. There you go. Thank you, Mina. You're here. Right, you got some boys here. What are you doing with this guy?
Roti pakate.
Roti pakate ho. Right, 13, 14-year-old young kids working hard in Pakistan. As you can see, they're collecting branches, little twigs, leaves, dried up leaves, wood. They risk their lives to jump on trees, cut down the dried branches so they can make, obviously put them in the oven and they can light a fire and they make the chapatis. Chalo bhai, shukriya. Thank you very much. Lelo. Yeah, thank you bhai. Right, it's nice to give back to these little kids a little bit. So this is the most popular bus here, number 20 bus. Check this out, guys. We've got a number 20 bus coming over here. 1991. Look at this. Look how old this bus is. This bus needs doing up. It's one of the oldest buses en route here from Clifton. Kidhar jati hai bhai? Sadr tak. Sadr, the most popular shopping area in Karachi. Aji bhai, kya haal hai? Theek thaak. I've never done this. This is the first time I'm actually getting my hair cut outside in Pakistan. Check out this seat. Got a bit of cardboard there. Nice cushioning. Beautiful, nice mirror over here. Right, ji, Rafiq bhai. Rafiq bhai. Ganja nahi karna. Ganja nahi karna. Let's go. Rafiq bhai, let's do this. Now see, if Rafiq bhai was in England, he'd be a very successful businessman. So aapka kitna arsa ho gaya idhar, Rafiq bhai?
Main ko sahi 3 saal ho gaye.
3 saal?
3 saal aa gaye.
Idhar? 30 years he's worked from this spot. Right, go on there. Right. Oh God. Don't cut my throat. Big brother, it's a little bit uncomfortable. My back's against this and it's hurting, so I might have to get him a new chair. आपके लिए नया chair लेके आएंगे. Right, I feel fresh. I look good. Voila. Big brother, thank you very much. First time I've ever had my hair cut on the side of a road anywhere in the world. So if you're from Karachi and you want your hair cutting, check this out. He's done a beautiful job on my beard and my hair, trimmed it on the side. He's in Block 2 Clifton. Please make sure you check him out. Rafiq bhai, shukriya bhai. I'm going to look after this guy. Rafiq bhai, shukriya ji. Thank you very much. Allah aapko barakat de business mein inshallah. This is our security guard. He does security outside my grandma's house. So he looks after the few houses on this road. Great guy, very strong guy. कभी गोली मारी है किसको?
बस हवाई फेर मारता रहे तो गोली बंदे गोली मारता.
He's not done that yet, so luckily it's not that bad around here. Chalo ji, thank you very much. As you can see, he's got bullets there. He's got a gun. He's got a gun here. And obviously, kids, if you're watching this, guns are only for security reasons. And he's got bullets there as well. No, take a gun, nahi. Yeah, pabandi hai. But anyway, I don't want him to check it out. But like I said to you, he's a proper security guard, very strong guy, works around the clock over here. But anyway, it's time to get into the rickshaw. Raz bhai, bismillah karo ji. I might even attempt to drive it, but not just yet. Haji, Mamu! It's cool. Right, that way. Right, okay. Oh, come on then. Thank you, bhai. Fed bhai, kya haal? Assalamu alaikum. Mechanic ho tum? We've got a local mechanic here. I met him last night actually. I came here, had a quick word with him, but we've got a few cars that we're repairing here, as you can see. I want to show you the Toyota Corolla, the famous Toyota Corolla. It looks like to me it's been there for a long time. I need some parts off this car for my car. And as you know, I've got a Toyota Corolla 1979 model myself. I wonder what the inside's like. Oh, it's full of parts. It's a shame that this car, a classic car, has just been left here to rot away. But we'll speak to the guys at the garage and see what they're doing to it. Aji, Assalamu alaikum bhai. MashaAllah bhai. Singhe jore. Bada sa chai pi raha hai. So the big boss is sat there drinking tea. I mean, the master technicians just chill out while their side assistants work away. Rang karoge bhai? Ye rang idhar hoga?
ये भट्टी में.
भट्टी में. भट्टी means spray booth, I think. So ये आप तैयार करके भट्टी वाले को देते हो, पेंटर. पॉलिशिंग कौन करता है?
पॉलिशिंग हम खुद करते हैं.
खुद करते हैं, वो सिर्फ रंग लगाता है. तो पूरी गाड़ी रंग करने के लिए क्या कितने पैसे लेता है वो?
ये गाड़ी हो तकरीबन मिनिमम वो 15,000 रुपए ले जाए, इसके सिर्फ कलर मारने.
15,000 रुपए. So he charges 15,000 rupees averagely to paint a full car. Now 15,000 rupees.
मटेरियल हमारा होगा.
और मटेरियल आपका होगा?
मटेरियल हमारा.
I think 15,000 rupees is approximately about £50. So maybe in about 100 quid, they probably get the car fully painted with the materials, which is a very cheap price compared to anywhere in Europe or anywhere around the world, wherever you're watching. And as you can see, you've got a young kid over here. This guy's 18 years old and he knows how to do the job from start to finish. Fully qualified mechanic, looking slick. And he's got his Rolex watch on as well. Let's go to a few of the garages. It's very hot here. I need some water, but I've got to make sure it's clean and it's not been refilled. So if they just started a car that's come back, mujhe bataiye. Come on, come over here.
ये जो है पूरी पेंट होके तैयार होके खड़ी है. अब सिर्फ पॉलिश होनी है.
Acha.
चाबी चाय नहीं.
So this car has been fully resprayed. Beautiful paint job. Absolutely brilliant. It's pearl white. If you look at the paint very closely, so it's all been resprayed. इधर क्या repair किया था?
इसका ये साइडों में डेंट थे.
अच्छा.
नीचे ये जगह है, ये गल गई थी.
और सब रस्ट था.
हाँ, रस्ट.
जंग.
तो ये सारा पेंट किया, कलर जैसे फेड हो जाता है.
हाँ.
की वजह से,
तो
नमी की वजह से.
नाइस.
तो ये
पूरा साइड.
ये छत और इसकी डिगी छोड़ी है.
अच्छा.
बाकी पूरी ओवरऑल पेंट हुई है.
Right, it's a nice paint job. I'm having a look at it in detail. It's a very nice paint job. ये किधर हुई थी? भट्टी में.
भट्टी में हुई.
उधर जाएंगे. I think we should just go to the place where they actually paint cars. This is where they all get repaired, and it's very hot here. And my cousin just got me some water. Is it going to click? Yep. Oof, got a lot of gas in there, lad. Right, so and you got to be safe around water here in Pakistan because you don't know. Sometimes they refill bottles and sell them, but you got to trust in Allah, don't we? Right. ये गाड़ियाँ सब इधर. ये टोयोटा इसका क्या हो रहा है?
ये टोयोटा जो है ये अपडेट होनी है. मॉडिफाई के लिए खड़ी की थी, पर अभी फिलहाल मालिक की जेब में पैसे
अच्छा
उड़ गए हैं.
ओहो. इस बिजनेस में पैसे नहीं उड़ गए
फिलहाल उसने ले तो ली, पर अब लगाने के लिए उसके पास आएंगे तो
boss की that's the boss's car boss's Toyota he said he's run out of money so he just left it there but he's going to get onto it but anyway let's move around guys come on right so we're in the back of the rickshaw me and my cousin Sharjeel as you can see got to be careful here it's nice weather and we're just heading to another garage. We're going to stop around a couple of garages and show you the repair methods they use, the environments they paint in, and the young kids that are working at a very young age as well, and maybe see some cars that they've repaired and just speak to them, see how life is in the auto industry in Pakistan. As you've seen before in my previous vlog as well, it was nice to go around, showcase some of the great talent they have in Pakistan, and we're going to look forward to probably drive this rickshaw and also get onto a bus. Okay, so we've just come to an area where they have a few garages. We've got a VW Beetle. It's not bad actually, quite good condition inside. Wheel arches that are getting repaired. We'll speak to them about this. I don't mind taking this back to the UK actually. It's actually a right-hand drive. Cars in Pakistan are right-hand drive, just like they are in the UK. Now there's not many places in the world that have right-hand drive cars. Got Malaysia, Japan, Pakistan of course. And yeah, so we've got a nice beautiful cat here, relaxing, sunbathing in the sun. Unfortunately, it's needs a good wash. But these are the cats in Pakistan. It looks like a Bengal tiger cat. But anyway, it's not about cats, it's about cars. ये कटिंग कर रहे हो किसके 1500 की या 2000 के साथ 1500 के साथ बफिंग तुम करोगे राइट रन किसने किया है
रंग उस्ताद ने
उस्ताद कहाँ है
उस्ताद
आ रहा है The master technician in Pakistan is called Ustad, which means teacher, and obviously they are respected because they've been in the industry for a very long time. They have a lot of skill, a lot of talent. And you got young kids like this kid over here. He's probably teaching him. ये इसको भी सिखा रहे हो छोटे को ये सीख रहा है क्या उम्र है तुम्हारी 8 साल की माशाल्लाह हाई फाइव दो मुझे भाई माशाल्लाह 8 साल की it's a weekend he's helping his dad repair vehicles. We've got a brother over here who's doing a bit of plastic welding, so the screws it's corroded and they can't take it off. They're taking the backlight out. That's quite quick actually. These guys look like hard workers. Show me these guys here. We've got 3 painters here, young kids. Sono umar de? 16 saal. It's 16 years old. Sasanam de? Shah Nawaz. These guys are Peshawar? So they're from Peshawar. They speak Pashto, as you can tell. We've dressed in the Pakistani attire. Tumhari umar kya hai? 18 saal. 13. 18, 16 and 13. They're all painters, as you can see from their clothes. He's got body filler on there, paint as well. But these guys don't have no overalls as such. They're all wearing slippers. Boot nahi pehente hain aap. Accident hua hai kabhi? Haath kata hai ya? Acha, oh, they've cut their fingers here and there, but ehtiyat kara karo bhai. This guy's chopped his finger off. But this is what I mean. You've got to be very careful when you're in this industry, wherever you are in the world. तुम्हें painting का काम आता है? तुम्हें महीने के कितने मिलते हैं?
हमारा माम वैसे हिसाब नहीं
तकरीबन
35 में मिल जाते हैं 40 भी मिल जाते
40,000. So he's on roughly about 40,000 rupees a month. It's probably about £100 a month. So that's what he's on. Obviously, it is difficult working, and you know we live in a very different life in Europe, in UK, in America, around the world. And these guys here are struggling, and they love to go into countries like that to prosper. But we should help them prosper in this country. But anyway, come on, show me around, guys. Ajao, look at this wing. This wing has been panel beated. They've absolutely battered this wing and brought it back to life. ये किसने काम किया है?
ये हमारा उस्ताद है.
So his ustad as well. So he's even got a master that's done this job. And I want to see this guy who's actually done this job, because you know what? I got to shake his hand. I know, because I've been a panel beater. And I'm probably from the era of the old school panel beaters when it kind of transformed a little bit. But when they started using the oxyacetylines, heat shrinking, etc. And I know this job is brilliant. This car's going to get painted here. The paint in a car. Arshad bhai, to run किधर होगी गाड़ी? Right, okay, so it's 2 o'clock and he's saying that he'll have this car painted by 4 o'clock, so he's got 2 hours. I'm not sure if he'll be ready in 2 hours to get painted, but these guys will probably do it if they work together as a team. You can see he's prepped it all down. He's got a bucket here. So he uses this piece of wood to rub down the car. Now we have rubber blocks, 3M blocks, etc. And this guy's just got a piece of wood off the street, and then he just puts it on there. Look at that. You know what? It does the job. Well, we've got some police over here. Hopefully we're not in trouble. So this is the gun that they use in Pakistan. I've seen this in like 4 or 5 different body shops. Well, especially the ones that are on the streets, the back streets. And yeah, it's probably a local gun made in Pakistan. A lot cleaner than the one that I've seen previously. Paint दिखाएं भाई. So this is the paint. ये hardener. ये 2K का रंग है.
नहीं ये
1K.
1K.
Oh, it smells lovely. I love the smell of that. Right, we'll leave these guys to it. Let's go to a few of the body shops. But this is a very busy body shop. There's a car here as well. Check out this repair on this roof. This car's been panel beat. Look at that beautiful job in there. It's been repaired. ये सब denting हुई इसकी. Look at that. The same roof, the same pillar has been repaired. ये किसने की गाड़ी? I need to go see this guy who's done this job. उस्ताद भाई,
जी जी
ये काम आपने किया है?
जी जी
माशाल्लाह, जबरदस्त काम आपने किया है. आप बिल्कुल मास्टर हैं जी. ये काम मैं भी करता हूँ यूके में.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह.
हाँ, 14 साल का था,
जी
अब 40 का हो गया हूँ. ये बस ये काम मैं जानता हूँ. मेरा अपना गराज उधर, मेरे लिए आदमी काम करते हैं. तो ये वो भी डेंटर है, पेंटर है. लेकिन मैंने देखा है वो उधर आपने वो जो पुर्जा किया वो विंग,
जी
वो साइड पे पैनल, वो भी बहुत अच्छा. ये भी माशाल्लाह.
जी जी.
अगर आपका दिल हो यूके आने का तो मुझे बता दें, तो मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा. I'd love to see this guy if he's doing work like this anyway. मैंने सोचा आपको पर्सनली मिलूं और आपको बोलूं ये बहुत अच्छा काम है. This is the ustad. This is the guy that does the panel beating. He's done all this repair. Look at that lining. It's perfect. Now in the UK, you don't get many talented people that do things like this. Don't get me wrong. There is still people out there, the old school panel beaters, but this is just brilliant. And this is what ustad teaches the young kids as well, to work in this method. And this is the proper panel beating method. So we've got the 2 young kids here. There's a dent on the bonnet. They're rubbing it down, the feathering, the paintworking, the panel beating it out. But obviously in the UK, America, around the world, we use the orbital sander. So they have no orbital sanders or DA sanders here. He's rubbing it down. ये कौन सा पेपर है? मुझे तो ये 80 का है, 40 का. 14 mix करो. You've seen before on my previous vlog. You've got the glosser filler, which is very popular in Pakistan. It's quite dusted, no dust masks. Mixing the filler. So this is the technique they use in Pakistan. We use like filler boards, and we put the body filler in there, and then a little bit of hardener. Mix it up, but these guys do it by hand with 2 spatulas. Very skilled, talented. Look at that, very clean. Nice job. Paper lagao. So you got your masking tape here. Let me check out this masking tape. It's called Ideal masking tape. Obviously, it's like the brown paper. Let's see if it's got a good stick on it. Make sure it doesn't damage the light. A little bit there. It's finished. But it's nice. Good job. 16-year-old kid. Hopefully in a few years' time, he'll also be a master technician. Thank you, bhai. Shukriya. अंग्रेजी सीखो भाई, मैं तुम्हें करूंगा यूके तुम्हारे बॉस के साथ. ठीक है, बंद कर दो. Let's go! Proper truck driver in Pakistan. You know the trucks are proper customized.